Welcome to 4706 El Mirar. I'm Eric Iantorno, and this is Jason Davis. You're in our newest listing. Let's check it out. This property is a very special property located on the west side of the Rancho Santa Fe Covenant. It is close to the ocean. It sits perched high atop a hillside. It's extremely private, and one of the most unique features of this property is that it has huge ocean and backcountry views.
Any family looking to move to Rancho Santa Fe, it checks all the boxes with even more. There are unexpected places to relax and enjoy living around every corner. The Covenant of Rancho Santa Fe is an extremely safe place to live. The community is very tight-knit. The school system at the Roger Rose School is fantastic. Community center, a world-renowned golf course, all part of the Covenant of Rancho Santa Fe.
When you get to the top of the long driveway and enter the private gates, you are in a truly private paradise. There are no homes around you. No one can see into the property. You are by yourself.